I never wear earrings. Come here, baby. The damage is done. Right here. I think we're good now. Okay, I just want you to all know that I'm using my phone and being cheap because I don't even have a laptop, so sorry. Why am I out of breath? Oh my god. I think I'm just gonna screen record everything. I don't want to, but I guess I'm gonna have to. Okay, so the first video we're going to watch is about Logan Paul. I don't like the Paul brothers, shade tea, but yeah, I don't like them. So this should be fun. Ugh. It's like a fake service dog video that I've never seen it. This is the first time I'm gonna see it. I know, like everyone has been telling me about it, but I've never seen it, so. And these hurt. I thought that I would put them in to try to look cute, but I look tragic. Don't do this. Don't, because clearly I was having an okay day today. And now I just feel like poop. So that's nice. Okay, let's get into it. I think I found it. Wait, there's a part 2? Maybe I'm gonna have to make a part 2 video. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna get into it right now. Are you ready? Come here. Let's go. Let's get into it. Okay, he's so tired. Look at him. You want to get into it? We're not going to work right now. Okay? We're going to do this. Do you like my little palm tree here? Okay, okay. Let's do... Oh, God. Oh, God. That's the wrong one. Okay.
So Kong is actually a service dog.
They're hitting it with the facts. This probably looks so bad, but whatever.
It says right here, us service dog name.
No, that's you, Ed.
Ew. Okay, whatever.
Name Kong the Savage. Oh wait, no, did you put the? It's not the.
It's Kong the Savage.
No, it's the. Kong the Savage. Ayla.
Yeah, exactly. This fool is more worried about the name. Honey, you committed a federal law. Like, you're breaking the law. But he's worried about the name. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome this worm. Logan Paul, we're coming for you. I'm gonna believe that. Oh my god. Oh my. Okay, I'm gonna stop it right there because I have a story. Well, like things I've seen. I've seen like people like register a rock and like say it's a service dog, and I think that's really funny. I want to register like a brush. This is my service brush, everybody. You're wasting so much money. Look at that. Look. It's $159, almost $200. That's ridiculous. Like, why would someone even want to buy this? No.
typo. I'm sorry. Hey, TDC.
TDC. Go ahead and get in line, Ayla. We'll worry about Evan later.
Damn straight.
Her fault, guys. She spells his name even. It's not even. It's Evan. It's always gonna be Evan.
Finally, TDC. 3 minutes. Come on, Kong, let's go. Come on, Kong, let's go.
Whoever made this video, shout out to you because this video is awesome. Let me just say, good job. Good job. Let's continue.
Okay, so we're hoping Brendan makes the flight. Huh?
He's right here.
Oh. Kong, you're going in the bed. Okay, so we have Kong. Easy morning.
What task does it perform from inside a carrier bag? Just wanted to know.
I'm glad we all made the flight. My boy is good. Oh, Doggy. Hi, puppy. Yeah, you doing?
Oh boy.
Is Kong peed on you or anything?
No, he needs to go to the bathroom. Ayla, can you let him pee on you?
Yeah, sure.
I appreciate you.
Oh, buddy, we're free. We're free. Oh, my God.
Oh no, Kong, don't sniff the ground. I know he has to go to the bathroom. Where's the bathroom? You're a sassy little Pomeranian today. Look at grabbing your leash and everything. He don't need no man. He gonna walk himself. That's my boy.
Service animal relief area. Go, Kong. Let's go this way. Oh, Logan, he's beating. Good dog. Good dog, Kong. That's a good dog.
I like how they put a fire hydrant in the corner to like entice dogs that they need to poop or pee.
Some people are just so smart, dude.
You're doing that in the wrong spot, dog. You totally missed the grass.
Okay, he'd be the type of person to not even pick that up. And to the people who don't pick their dog shit up, you guys are horrible people. Let me just say. Please clean up after your dog. That's the responsibility of owning a pet or dog or any type of animal. Okay? Thank you. Let's continue.
Boy, have to talk. Come on, Kong. Oh, come on, buddy. You're embarrassing me. Kong, come on.
No. He is not dragging that dog on it looks like an escalator. No. No, this is not acceptable. No. I need a breather. Animal abuser, hello. Look at that thing. It is scared to death. Look at it. Oh my God. Ugh, and then the service dog little thing just... I want to go slap him in his face. You worm! Ugh. Let's continue. I don't want to continue. Like, if it gets any sadder, I'm gonna, like, stop.
Bro, you're not being a good service dog. You're not servicing me. You're making my life hard. Come on. Fine. This is rough, guys. Like, yo, this is gnarly.
Shame on you, Logan. Shame on you. Just thought I'd add that in. You read it. If you're not a fan of dog poop, skip this next part. I don't want anyone attacking me.
Take care of your dog. Yeah, it is. You're the one with the leash. Yo, what's this guy's dog doing? What's his dog doing? Yo, ew, bro. Where'd he go? It's not my dog. Yeah.
I would be so embarrassed. Oh my God. No. And they're just letting it. They're not like, oh my God, in the middle of the airport. I'm gonna throw up. Gonna be sick.
Evan, he spread it out for you, bro.
Not housebroken. Just. Wow.
This isn't making sense. We just saw him go poop.
Shame. It's not a joke. Like, they're joking about this. That's disgusting. I'm literally gonna... Get your life together, please. This is not okay. Yes, good on you for putting in the law. Okay, I'm gonna stop that right there because there is other ones I'm gonna react to. So, yeah. I'm looking for some more. Okay, I think I found one. Fuck my life. So, I got the next one. You can lay down, baby. You can lay down. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Let's get in with this next one. And I'll like tag the people who like made these videos because these, I didn't make these, just to let you know. Okay. Well, he scared me. He was like kissing my neck. What do you hear? Okay, it's taking a long time to get it.
That's not a service dog. The dog's trying to come after me. That's not a service dog. Like be acting that way.
Okay, before the next one starts, I'm just gonna get into this. Okay, this is really important. If you see a dog pulling, do not do what this person did and go up to that dog. Like, if I saw a dog pulling in a store, I would definitely not go up to it with my dog, let alone myself, because that's dangerous, one, for your service dog, and two, for yourself. So just don't do that. Thank you. PSA.
Fake. Uh-oh. Wait for it. Oh, we're all recording. No shame.
I love that person. Whoever you are, you're awesome. I love it. That's funny.
Sit. Yeah. That a service dog? They're not supposed to pull. You realize that, right? I said they're not supposed to pull. They're no. No, you're not. Oh.
You're not comforted how to pass if they need to be pass trained and they're not allowed to exit. You're not supposed to. You really shouldn't have them in public. Leave it. Next time. Leave it.
Fuck. Iron.
Okay. Good on them. I mean, he said sorry and stuff. I would have went a little bit easier. Unless, like, he, like, was fighting you back. Some people are really rude, I would say. Some handlers. I mean, I get upset about this, too. But I, like, try to be nice and educate the person beforehand. But if they are being rude back to you, I mean, go off. Just go off. Because, honestly, no. What's the next one? Okay. I've seen this one. So just watch it. I'll put my input later. Pretty slow. Oh, wow. Okay, it looks like the handler has some issues himself, and I don't think he needs to be worrying about a dog that's not listening. I mean, he's at the hospital. I don't see why he would bring a dog that wouldn't listen to the hospital. that's the worst place to bring a pet dog, but I mean, people will never learn, I feel like. Yep.
I can't see it.
Oh.
That dog's way
Yeah.
too old. It's got massive arthritis. It could hardly walk when it came in here.
Screw you, handler. Screw you for bringing that dog inside. That is so sad. Dogs who like limp and like, no, they need to be like at home, not. That's sad.
Echo, you're being a good girl, aren't you? You're getting too used to going to hospitals. You're getting too used to going to hospitals. Good girl. What a good focus. Are you ignoring? Good girl. Good girl.
That dog is way too old. It looks like it has bad hips, bad joints. No, it does not need to be out in public. Shame on that handler also. This is disgusting. This is honestly disgusting. Do not bring your dogs out in public in general, and especially if they're limping. And oh my God, will people ever learn? This is sad. This is not funny, it's serious now. It's getting serious. It's the dog's health, and it's sad. It needs to stop, to be honest. I mean, look at it. Look at her. I'm not that concerned about the leash at this moment, all right? I mean, I get it. It's pointing out things, but it's taking away from the dog is in bad condition. A flexi lead does not matter at this moment. I mean, look at the poor thing. It can barely walk. It's sad. I want to hug my dog. Did you guys see that? Did you see his little paw go up? So sad. I don't even want to watch this, bro. It's so sad. Turn. Leave it. Yeah. I love how they're laughing at it. Like, it's so funny, breaking the law. Okay, let me tell you a little story, all right? We were at Target, and he almost got attacked by a pit bull mix. And no, I don't hate pit bulls. I love pit bulls. Don't come after me. Oh, you use the name pit bull, blah, blah, blah. No, because I love pit bulls. I have a pit bull mix, all right? Do not attack me. Like, no, the point is, that was the breed, all right? I'm just stating the breed. Don't come for me. Anyway, it was not my fault. I rounded, because I don't go near dogs I know that look aggressive, even from far away, with Ace, let alone myself. I come around the corner, and it was in the dog section, and it, like, lunged at Ace, and it tried to grab a hold of his, well, he's sleeping. I'm not going to wake him up, but his lip, like, right here. And I was so scared. And the lady was laughing. She started laughing, and she was like, oh, you're supposed to be working. Ah, ha, 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 ha. And I'm like, ah, ha, ha, ha. It's not fucking funny. Like, your dog just almost attacked my service dog. And basically, I started shaking. Ace started doing what he's supposed to do. He started alerting. I had to go do DPT while trying to go find a manager. Like, it was all bad. And no, just, that is so sad. Don't bring your pets into stores. Just stop, bro. Like, stop. Okay, we're gonna get into this. Turn. Disgusting. I've seen this.
Stop. 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 Stop.
This might just maybe the next bin over, please. I've got to say.
Yeah, that dog is not happy.
Doesn't make a peep unless there's another dog right there.
It's a service dog.
Right, stop.
Is it a
He's learning.
Once we are, I know you paid for this red seating, both of you, but if it doesn't work, we have to move someone. And we're not a full flight. So once we are totally boarded,
Stop it in a minute.
He'll stop in a minute. BS, girl. Get your dog off the plane. Like, ooh, if I was there, I would be having a big fuss right now. Let me tell you.
but
If it's a service,
That man knows.
if it continues, yeah, we're not going to have to. The seating won't work.
yeah.
I'm just telling you now.
It's okay, once we put
Yeah,
it,
we'll make
have
it
open
work.
seats so then you can move.
Yeah.
She's just holding it like a handbag. Like, she's just waving it around in the air. No, honey, it won't.
All right, look.
Hello.
Is it still in training?
Yes,
Oh.
but he had an incident not long ago and sent him back. So we're just working on it. He'll play, he won't hurt.
Yeah, if your dog has an incident, and it's acting like that, you need to not take it in public and work on that. And hopefully you can work on that so you don't have to wash that service dog. Clearly this is a fake service dog, but honestly, if that does happen, if you have an incident, do not work your dog. Do not. Just saying.
It just makes sense. Hey, okay.
Okay, next one.
No, he's not. Service animals are not aggressive, ma'am.
He's not aggressive.
That is aggressive.
No, the lady was right. That isn't aggression. You can tell by a lot of things. The tail wag it's clearly going right, and that is not aggression. It would, if it was tagging to the left side, it would be more of aggression. Also, you can tell by the eyes, the face, like the dog is excited. That's an excited dog, not an aggressive dog. So, I mean, I don't think that she should go out of her way to say it's aggressive, but you know, yeah, right, it shouldn't be in there, but it's not aggressive. You shouldn't say a dog's aggressive if it's not.
It doesn't matter. A service animal can never. Yeah.
The next one. Oh, they just seem like they don't care. What a shame. Sorry for that battery thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hope that person doesn't have a dog with them. Because they just passed a dog that is gonna... I mean, it was the first time, but... Still, you should not go towards another dog, especially if it looks like I mean, if you start to record, then you obviously know that it's doing something wrong. And that's when you should know, oh, hell no, I'm not going over there by that dog because I don't want to risk my life and my service dog's life. So keep that in mind. Oh, they do have a dog. And then they pass it again. Okay. Okay. Well, if it was me, I wouldn't have passed that dog. Hell no. Hell to the no. Because I'm not risking my dog's life, and I'm not risking my life, because you never know what that dog is capable of. Gets me pissed. Oh my god. Now that's just sad. Oh. Okay, that dog is so scared, it's not even funny. You need to put that dog in a house and never take it outside to an airport, it looks like. No, dogs should not be fearful. Like, it's terrifying. That's so sad. Oh, she's like, what was that?
Oh no, I'm recording.
Apparently that.
Okay, I'm gonna stop right there and skip this video because I do not like, I love little dogs, don't get me wrong, but if I listen to their bark for too many minutes, I will start to want to cover my ears because it's annoying. So I'm just gonna skip through this one, but yes, you get the point. Oh, okay, so that's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, I hope that you liked this video. It was something new. I just want to address that fake service dogs are not to be made fun of. I know I made a lot of jokes in this video, but again, please do not bring your pets or fake service dogs or ESAs into public places. It is not funny. There has been a lot of attacks from service dogs, a lot of washed service dogs because of this issue, and it is scary because you never know what they do. And once again, Ace is sleepy through another whole video. I had some energy, so I made the video, and I just hope you guys like it. Comment below if you want a number 2. And yeah, thank you. Bye. So. Oh, I'm short, huh? He's like, yeah, Mom, you're short. Why do you always like my ear?
So that's it from us today. Subscribe, like the video, and yeah. Oh my god.